Unraveling Idioms, Peeling the Layers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating idiom that's often used in English conversations and writings, peeling the layers. This phrase is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and usage of English. So, let's dive in and peel back the layers of this expression together. Peeling the layers is an idiom that draws a vivid picture in our minds. Imagine peeling an onion or any layered fruit or vegetable. As you remove one layer, another is revealed underneath. This action of peeling away layer after layer is used metaphorically in English to describe a process of exploring or revealing deeper levels of meaning, understanding, or complexity in a situation, idea, or discussion. The beauty of this phrase lies in its versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of scenarios, from personal introspection to analyzing complex social issues. It suggests a journey of discovery, where each layer removed uncovers new insights and truths. To fully grasp the idiom's application, let's look at a few examples. 1. In personal growth. Through therapy, I am peeling the layers of my emotions, understanding the root causes of my fears and anxieties. 2. In academic analysis. When we study historical events, we must peel the layers of context and perspective to truly understand the causes and effects. 3. In problem solving. To find a solution, we need to peel the layers of this issue, examining each factor that contributes to the problem. These examples show how peeling the layers can be used to describe a thorough and in-depth exploration or analysis of various aspects of life, encouraging a deeper understanding beyond the surface level. Understanding idioms like peeling the layers is crucial for English learners because it allows you to appreciate the richness of the language. Idioms add color and depth to communication, enabling you to express ideas in a more nuanced and culturally relevant way. Moreover, recognizing and using these expressions can improve both your comprehension and your fluency, making your English more natural and engaging. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the idiom, peeling the layers. English is a language full of vivid expressions that can enrich your communication, and mastering them is a rewarding journey. Remember, every idiom you learn adds a new layer of depth to your English skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.